The next topic we would discuss about the types of friction and some of the important features that those frictions possess. So first of the type is static friction. We call the static friction as a self-adjusting force. So we must learn why the static friction is called as self-adjusting force. Because we know if a body is present here and a single force is applied on the body must respond to that force, meaning the body must move to the right side because the force is making the body move to the right side. But if equal and opposite force is acting on the block would not move because both the forces will balance each other and the body will not move. So the same situation is happening when the static friction is arising, because we are applying the force on the body but the body is not moving. So the reason behind it is that static friction adjusts. Now how the static friction adjusts? So static friction is the number one which adjusts its magnitude equal to the applied force, and also it adjusts its direction opposite to the applied force. So hence what do we see? We see one body moves, actually one body do not move over the surface of another body. So if we are applying a force P to right hand side, friction will come into existence, that is static friction will come into existence, and its direction is opposite to the applied force, meaning it would be towards left. So suppose there is another body which is placed on the surface and you are kind of applying a force that makes it move to the left side. So friction would arise on the surface to the right hand side and also equal and opposite to the applied force. So hence body will not move. So it is adjusting itself according to the applied force. That is why it is called as self-adjusting force. Now coming to the second important point, we have discussed about kinetic friction. Kinetic friction itself is of two types. One is called sliding friction and one is called rolling friction. Both arise only when actually the body is moving. Actually the body is sliding, then called as sliding friction. Actually the body is rolling, then it will be called as a rolling friction. So now what we people think that tires are the kind of invention that makes the friction to a least value, but actually tires also have friction. It is less, actually we can say, but it is not totally vanished. So rolling friction also is there in existence. So for understanding the rolling friction, you must learn that if a tire which is in the form of a circle is rolling on the ground, we might give this diagram a shape kind of a tire in form of a tire. If this tire is placed on some surface, so a small area of the tire is there in the contact with the ground. So because of that small area is small, a larger pressure is applied on the ground by the tire. So ground kind of microscopically get depressed. So in turn tire also gets compressed because it is in contact with this ground, and tire also is compressed. We might give 3 points KL, and M. The tire is rolling. The tire is doing two types of things now. Number one, it constantly pulls itself to move uphill the LM, and it also tries to get detached from this point KL. So to get detached, from KL and to move the uphill LM, tire has to apply extra effort, and that extra effort is the measure of friction. What kind of friction it is called? Now it is called as the rolling friction. What kind of friction is it? It is the rolling friction, the extra effort. Now question comes in our mind that why the point of inflation of tires is so focused, and we always say the tires of the cycle or tires of the vehicles should be fully inflated. This is because if the tires are fully inflated, the compression of the tire would be less. Lesser compression, so lesser force of adhesion with the ground. So lesser force of adhesion, it gives rise to lesser rolling friction. Hence it is easier for us to move over the ground. So rolling friction is actually present. It is less but actually present. We can further reduce it if we'll fully inflate the tires or the wheels of the vehicles. Thank you.